guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today I am sharing the new spring release for Ldrs. And I fell in love with this release. It is just so cute. And I did restock these two from Trinity Stamps, the Fortune Teller and the Boiled Sugar Mix, the Heart Jelly Drops. So those two are very popular. Those are back in stock. You can find that under the Trinity Stamp section in the shop. So now let's dig into the Ldrs products. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I have a special coupon for orders $40 and over. You get $5 off your entire order with the code SPRING. It's only good for 3 days. I'll have the expiration date in the description box for you. You can also use my coupon code JAMIE for 10% off your order. So this is Up and Away Pocket Pals. Look how cute this is. So these cute little elephants. And you get so many images in here. Look at the little mouse. So cute and small. There's a balloon that you can hang these little guys from. And then look at all the little mice crawling up that ladder to get on top of the little elephant. These two are playing with their trunks. There's some butterflies next to that one. And look at this little mouse sneaking up behind this elephant's back. The sentiment says, "You always lift me up when I'm feeling down. Cheer up, and just a note to lift your spirits." And then there is a coordinating die. Really, really cute. I just love it. We've got We Be Jammin'. And this one is really cute. There's a picnic table with these two critters dancing. We've got a little moose and a fox. We've got this one eating peanut butter or jelly. And this one's eating the sandwich. There's a little hedgehog. And another one here. And then the little accessories with the bread and the peanut butter and jelly. There's some notes in there. We Be Jammin' goes really great with these two dancing. You are totally my jam. I love that sentiment. We go together like, and then you could put peanut butter and jelly. So stinking cute. This one, Strawberry Patch, is so cute. Look at that cute little bear with the mouse. This one's on top of his head eating a piece of strawberry. There's another little mouse on top of the strawberry. We've got this cute one holding a bunch of flowers. This little mouse is perfect to be climbing up the ladder to get up to the strawberry patch maybe. And then this one carrying off the little strawberry. There's another strawberry, a little bumblebee, a ladybug. And I love the sentiment here. We miss you very much with the little strawberry as the O. I love you more than I can bear. Made with love and very best wishes. It is just so cute. And then you can see this ladder. It does cut out the inside pieces of the ladder, which is really nice. We've got boardwalk mice. Just so cute. So you get this nice boardwalk, the little Ferris wheel. There's some clouds here. Look at all these tiny little mice. How cute is that? One's flying up on the balloon there. There's hot air balloons, and then look at the little mice inside the basket. You're so mice. Thanks. Have a mice day. Just so fun. And then the coordinating die, and it will cut out the inside portion of the little Ferris wheel. So cute. And what's so cute about these stamp sets, there's a seesaw slider die, which is really fun. It makes the images go up and down. So it's perfect for like the little hot air balloons going up and down. You can have them going up and down behind the little boardwalk here. You can have like these elephants go up and down on the balloons. There's some rabbit stamps in here that you can have go up and down into the ground. So cute. So now we've got bunny band pals. So there's a little gazebo there where your little bunnies could be playing music and dancing. Just so fun. There's so many elements in here to create a fun scene. There's a little fence. There's a little like tree or bush, a hay bale, a guy with a microphone. All these guys are playing little instruments. There's 2 couples dancing. Hey there, hop stuff. No bunny compares to you. There's some music notes, some flowers with a butterfly. Happy birthday from every bunny. And then there's a patch of grass. And then this is the coordinating die, and it will cut out the inside of the gazebo and then these little pieces on the inside here. Down the rabbit hole, this is so cute. So we've got down the rabbit hole, and then there's up the rabbit hole. So these 2 coordinate together. Look how cute that is. So we've got, look at all the little bunnies. You can make a really cute scene. So you could have these guys down the rabbit hole, like make a scene where there's bunnies and stuff on the top of the ground, and then on the bottom, on the inside, down deep in a hole, you can have these guys eating on the table. There's a ladder that they could climb out. Just so cute and fun. And then we've got the sentiments. Have a happy day. You are irresistible. Some bunny loves you. Lots and lots. Hugs and kisses and pull here. So you can do like interactive where you pull and then the bunnies can go up and down. We've got up the rabbit hole. So this could be the stuff that's on top. The little scene with the sun and the fence. The little carrot garden here. The bag of carrots. Maybe they're stealing the carrots from the garden, bringing it down to the hole. We've got happy hello. You make me smile from ear to ear. And then there's the little hole. Isn't that cute? So here are the coordinating dies. So little dies will cut out the little rabbit holes. And then the little ladder, it does cut out the little pieces on the inside of the ladder. There's a little picket fence called Country Fence Pocket. So this is the small picket fence, perfect for your little scenes. And then there is a larger picket fence, perfect for the background. Say you want to do this guy and have that in the background. And that one's called Country Fence Die. So you can see the different size. This one's called Barnyard. And this one's really, really fun. If you get the coordinating die, you can cut out the doors. It'll cut slits so you can open the doors up. Which is really fun. So you can have little peekaboo, and then the window too, little peekaboo, little pals behind there, which will be really cute. It'll cut out this window here. It'll cut a hole out in here. It'll cut little holes in the little shutters there, and it will cut it so it opens up. Even this door. So all the doors and windows will open, which is so fun. And then you do get the die for the clouds. And then we've got You're the best barn nun. Let's party till the cows come home. Hey there, how's it going? And howdy y'all. I love this one, it's so cute. And it's perfect to go with your little bunnies And you can have the little bunnies dancing. They could be at like a barn dance. We've got Pixie Pals, which are really cute. Little fairies, gnomes, and unicorns. You can't get better than that. You got all the little magical creatures. I love you so very much. I have so mushroom in my heart for you. Be uniquely you. And then look at all the cute little characters. There's some mushrooms. We've got your little flowers. Look at the little fairies, and then there's a little watering can that could be watering the flowers. You could just make like a fairy garden with this. And then that's the coordinating die. And we have a slimline scalloped die here, which is really nice because it's 2 pieces. So you can cut out your panel here with stitching. And then you can add, if you want, like a frame that's like an inward scallop frame. And then we've got these pieces here, which are really nice. So we've got a window. So this looks like it cuts out a window where it opens. That's really cool. So you can have some critters peeking out. You open up the window and they can be inside. And then there's stackable circles and hearts. So that's really nice. And then we've got the paper pad 6x6 Farmer's Market paper pad. Really, really cute with the strawberries and a little farm, the gingham. And it's 80-pound paper, 24 sheets, 2 of each design. Really, really nice. So I'm excited about this release. It is so cute. So I can't wait to see what you guys do with these stamps. I'd love to see your projects with this. So if you want to tag me, I'd love to see. So thank you guys for stopping by and shopping. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!